Good morning, Year 4. It's Wednesday and this is week 10, lesson 3. Describe a movement on a grid. Okay, so this will just be a short video today. There are just a few things that you need to remember. So let's go through them. Okay, so the first thing you need to make sure that you remember as you do the work today is which coordinate is the x-axis and which is the y-axis. So we talked about making up a little kind of rhyme or little phrase to help you remember. So I think you might remember along the hall, up the stairs, or you have to be a butterfly, a caterpillar before you're a butterfly, and you have to run along before you jump up. Okay, so that basically should help you with this one is the x and this value is the y. Okay, so this one tells you how far you need to go left or right, and this one tells you how far you need to go up or down. Okay, so this one may seem fairly obvious, but it's going to be important for today's work. So you need to know which way is left and which way is right. Okay, so I've written them here. All right, so left is in this direction and right is in this direction. Okay, so there are some questions today where you may want to write just the words sort of left and right at the top of the page, so you can just refer to them to see which direction you're moving on the grid. And the last one, number 3. Okay, so the word translate means move. All right, so with those 3 sort of tips, you'll sail through the work today. Okay, so all the questions on the sheet are really straightforward. You just need to read the question, answer the question. We've talked a lot about that. And also make sure you count accurately the number of squares on the grid that the point has moved. Okay, it's almost so easy that you will not count accurately because it's just so easy. Okay, so avoid those mistakes. All right, same thing again, just read the question and work accurately so you count on the grid. All right, and the only one we're actually really going to kind of have a look at today is the last one on the sheet, number 5. Okay, so the question says a triangle is drawn on the grid. It is translated so that the vertex M moves to 7, 4. Describe the translation and then draw the translated triangle on the grid to show its new position. And then it says create your own problem like this for a partner. Okay, so we're going to start with it is translated so that the vertex M moves to 7, 4. Okay, so we know that there is our X and there is our Y. So we're coming to 7. We're coming along 7. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so this is our vertex M. So all of the rest of the digits are going to move like that as well. Okay, so we need to describe the translation. Okay, so we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 5 right. So we went 5 right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many up? 1, 2, 3, 5 right, comma, 3 up. Now all these other vertices need to do that as well. Okay, so always work systematically. So N will go from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and 3 up, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the new position of N, right? L needs to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 up, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you're going to join your vertices, okay, to complete the triangle. All right, and the triangle will be absolutely identical, just moved 5 to the right and 3 up. Okay, so you can work that out. All right, so work hard, have fun, and should be a easy, quick maths lesson today. All right.